Hello and welcome to English Time with Ben. My name is Ben and I am from the United States. I am happy that you are here. I am glad that you want to learn English with me. Today's episode is about a quiet afternoon. This is a calm and simple topic. We will learn words and sentences that you can use in a quiet afternoon. We will practice speaking. We will practice listening. We will practice short and clear sentences. The words are easy. The sentences are short. A quiet afternoon can be simple. You can sit in a chair. You can drink tea or coffee. You can read a book. You can listen to soft music. You can walk slowly in a park. You can rest. You can think. You can smile. You can feel calm. This lesson will help you talk about this calm time. First, I will give some simple words. Then I will give short sentences. Then I will give an example of a conversation. Now I will give an example of how you should introduce yourself. Listen and repeat. You will hear new words. You can pause the video and repeat each sentence. You can pause the video and say the sentence out loud. This will help you speak with more confidence. Simple words for a quiet afternoon. Quiet, calm, slow, soft, warm, cozy, rest, sit, read, walk, park, tea, coffee, book, window, light, breeze, nap, evening, sun, shade, bench, birds, music, smile, peace, slow breath. Now I will make short sentences with these words. Repeat after me. Repeat after me is a good way to practice. You can say each sentence one time. You can say each sentence 3 times. You can pause the video and repeat the sentence that I said. Short sentences to practice. I sit in a chair. I drink hot tea. I read a quiet book. The sun is warm. The breeze is soft. I walk in the park. I feel calm. I breathe slowly. The birds sing. The music is soft. The light is warm. I close my eyes for a short nap. My day is simple and good. Now I will give an example of how you should introduce yourself. Hello, my name is Ben. I am from the United States. I like quiet afternoons. I like to drink tea. I like to read a book on a chair. I like to walk in the park near my home. I like soft music in the background. I like to listen to birds. I feel calm and happy. Repeat after me. Hello, my name is Ben. I am from the United States. I like quiet afternoons. You can pause the video and repeat that sentence. You can say each sentence slowly. Now I will make a longer monologue. This is a calm and simple speech that you can use to talk about your day. You can copy this monologue. You can change some words. You can use words that match your life. Listen and repeat some parts. Monologue example. Good afternoon. My name is Ben. I come from the United States. Today I have a quiet afternoon. I am sitting in a small chair by a window. The light comes in slowly. I have a warm cup of tea on the table. I have a small book in my hand. I listen to soft music. I hear birds outside the window. I feel calm and full of peace. I take slow breaths. I look at the trees. The leaves move with the breeze. I take a small walk in the park. I sit on a bench for a while. I watch people and I smile. I feel happy. This afternoon is simple and nice. I enjoy small things. I enjoy a quiet time. That is my quiet afternoon. You can pause the video and repeat the whole monologue. Try to say it out loud. Try to speak slowly. Try to feel the words. Try to use the same calm voice. Now we will do small practice steps. I will say one sentence. Then I will say the same sentence in a simple question. Then I will ask you to repeat. This will help you use the words in real talk. Practice 1. I sit in a chair. Do you sit in a chair in the afternoon? Repeat after me. I sit in a chair. Do you sit in a chair in the afternoon? You can pause the video and repeat both sentences. Practice 2. I drink warm tea. Do you drink warm tea in the afternoon? Repeat after me. I drink warm tea. Do you drink warm tea in the afternoon? Practice 3. I read a good book. Do you read books in a quiet hour? Repeat after me. I read a good book. Do you read books in a quiet hour? Practice 4. The light is soft. Is the light soft where you live? Repeat after me. The light is soft. Is the light soft where you live? Practice 5. I walk in the park. Do you walk in the park in the afternoon? Repeat after me. I walk in the park. Do you walk in the park in the afternoon? You can pause the video after each set and say the sentences slowly 3 times. You can say them alone. You can say them with a friend. You can say them to yourself. Now we will practice some useful phrases for talking about a quiet afternoon. These phrases are short and clear. Use them when you speak with friends. Useful phrases. I am relaxing this afternoon. I am having a calm time. I am reading a book now. I am making a cup of tea. I am taking a slow walk. I am listening to soft music. I am watching the sky. I am enjoying the quiet. I am resting for a while. I like this peaceful time. Repeat after me. I am relaxing this afternoon. I am having a calm time. I am reading a book now. I am making a cup of tea. Now we will make questions that you can ask a friend. These questions are easy. Use them to start a short talk. Questions to ask. How is your afternoon? Are you resting now? Do you like quiet hours? What are you doing this afternoon? Do you drink tea or coffee? Do you like to read books? Do you like to walk slowly? Where do you like to rest? Repeat each question after me. How is your afternoon? Are you resting now? Do you like quiet hours? What are you doing this afternoon? Now we will do a short practice conversation. I will be 2 people. I will speak slowly. You can listen. Then you can say the lines. You can pause the video and repeat each line. You can practice with a friend. Practice conversation. Person A: Hello, my name is Anna. How are you today? Person B: Hello, Anna. I am fine. Thank you. I am having a quiet afternoon. Person A: That sounds nice. What are you doing? Person B: I am sitting in my living room. I am drinking tea. I am reading a book. The light is warm and soft. Person A: That is lovely. Do you like soft music with your reading? Person B: Yes, I like soft music. I also like to listen to birds outside. Person A: That is peaceful. I wish I could sit with you for a while. Person B: You are welcome to sit and relax. We can talk about books and music. Now repeat each line. You can pause the video and say the lines with me. Say them slowly. Use a calm voice. Try to feel the scene. Now I will share some small tips for practice. These tips are easy to use every day. Tips for practice. Find a calm place in your home. Put a chair near a window. Make a warm drink. Take a small book that you like. Put soft music on low. Breathe slowly for 1 minute. Look out the window for a few minutes. Walk slowly for 10 minutes. Say 3 nice things about your day. Speak out loud in English for 5 minutes. Record your voice and listen. Try to say 1 new sentence each day. Try this activity now. Say 3 sentences about your quiet afternoon. Use simple words. Use calm voice. Repeat after me. I sit near a window. I drink tea in a small cup. I read a happy book. Now say your own 3 sentences. You can pause the video and think. You can pause the video and say the sentences out loud. Now we will learn a few more words that are good for writing or speaking about a quiet afternoon. These words are a little longer but easy to remember. More words. Serene, peaceful, gentle, tranquil, cozy, reflective, mellow, leisure, dusk, sunset, golden light, soft breeze, solitude, restfulness, content. Now short example sentences with these words. The garden feels serene in the late afternoon. The park is peaceful and calm. The breeze is gentle and cool. I feel reflective when I read a long book. The room is cozy with warm light. I enjoy quiet leisure time. The sunset makes the sky golden. I find restfulness in a short nap. I feel content in a calm moment. Repeat after me. The garden feels serene in the late afternoon. The park is peaceful and calm. The breeze is gentle and cool. I feel reflective when I read a long book. You can pause the video and repeat these sentences slowly. You can try to say them with feeling. Now a small reading practice. I will read a short paragraph. Listen and read with me. You can pause and repeat. You can read the paragraph 3 times. Reading paragraph. This afternoon is calm and warm. Sunlight fills the room with soft light. I sit on a chair with a cup of tea. I open a book and read slowly. The music plays softly in the background. The birds sing in the trees outside. I walk slowly to the park and sit on a wooden bench. I watch the children play at a distance. I breathe in the fresh air. I smile and feel happy. This quiet time is peaceful and simple. Repeat the paragraph with me now. Pause when you need. Read slowly and clearly. Try to feel calm. Next we will practice small transitions. These are words that help you connect ideas. They are short and easy. Use them to tell a small story about your afternoon. Transition words. First, then, next, after, finally, also, but so. Small story using transitions. First, I make a cup of tea. Then I sit by the window. Next, I open my book and read. After, I take a short walk in the park. Finally, I make a small note about the book I read. I feel calm and happy. I enjoy this simple routine. Repeat the small story after me. First, I make a cup of tea. Then I sit by the window. Next, I open my book and read. After, I take a short walk in the park. Finally, I make a small note about the book I read. Now some short role-play ideas. Use these with a friend or by yourself. These ideas are simple. They help you speak in real situations. Role-play ideas. Invite a friend to a quiet afternoon. Describe your calm space to a friend. Ask a friend about their favorite book. Share a small recipe for a warm drink. Describe a short walk in your neighborhood. Try one role play now. You can pause the video and do this with a friend or alone. Say this line and then answer it. Question: tell me about your quiet afternoon. Answer: my quiet afternoon is calm. I sit by the window. I read a book and drink tea. I walk in the park and watch the sky. Now a few practice challenges for you. These are small tasks for the next week. Practice challenges. Day 1, say a simple sentence about your calm afternoon in English. Record it and listen. Day 2, read a short page from a book out loud. Day 3, walk for 10 minutes and say 5 sentences about what you see. Day 4, make a cup of tea and describe the taste in simple words. Day 5, invite a friend to share a quiet hour and speak in English for 10 minutes. Day 6, write 5 sentences about your favorite quiet afternoon. Day 7, do all of the above and pick 2 sentences to practice again. These small steps will help you improve slowly. Slow practice is good. Calm practice is good. Before we finish, I will give one more long example. This is a friendly message you can use to tell a friend about your quiet afternoon. Listen and repeat. Try to say this message to a friend later. Friendly message example. Hello, my friend. I hope you are well. Today I had a quiet afternoon. I sat in a warm chair by the window. I drank a cup of tea. I read a nice book for an hour. I walked in the park near my home. I listened to birds and soft music. I felt calm and happy. I thought of you and I smiled. I hope you have a calm day too. Take care and rest for a little while. Repeat the message after me. Hello, my friend. I hope you are well. Today I had a quiet afternoon. You can pause the video and practice this message now. Say it to a friend later. That is all for today's lesson. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe. See you next time.